Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video guys, let's take a closer look at replacement folding fingers, which is a new accessory from GoPro. You see, one of the new features of GoPro Hero 12 Black is that it finally has a 1/4" screw hole at the bottom of it. So you can finally mount it on a tripod or selfie stick without any additional adapters. But at the same time, is to have that option to unfold the mounting fingers just like with any other previous GoPro and use it with all of your GoPro accessories. Now, if you wonder that whether or not this particular accessory is compatible with your previous camera model, then I got some good news for you, as it is. And even though they only mention that it's compatible with GoPro Hero 12 Black on the package as well as on their website, this accessory gonna work with GoPro 9, 10, 11 and even 11 mini and GoPro MAX. So you may ask a question, what are the real benefits of having this accessory and how can it help you? So first of all, you can mount your camera on a tripod or a selfie stick without a thumb screw and a GoPro adapter. And this can be really helpful if you record a time-lapse. You know, it happened to me that I arrived at the location, set up my big tripod, and then I realized that I don't have a GoPro adapter with me, so I couldn't record a sunset. But now, with a 1/4" hole, I don't have to worry about it anymore, so that's really helpful. You can also notice another huge benefit when you're gonna use it with a GoPro MAX, which can record a 360 degrees video, for a very simple reason. So ideally, with 1/4" design, the camera should be always at the center of your selfie stick, so you don't have to check it if it's in the correct position anymore. Now, with the old design, you could mount it incorrectly and as a result, the selfie stick was visible in a shot. You see, with a camera like this, you have to keep it in a straight line along with the selfie stick to get that invisible selfie stick effect. So I think that the new folding finger design is a really nice addition to your camera setup. It's a small improvement, but finally GoPro has listened to their customers. So honestly guys, I think that this accessory in here is definitely a must-have if you have a GoPro MAX. However, if you have a standard GoPro, should you get it? Well, it's definitely gonna depend on how you use your GoPro. So this accessory in here can give you some more mounting option and save you a bit of headache if you forget GoPro adapter. But at the end of the day, the choice is yours. It is a little bit pricey as it costs around $20, but if you are a GoPro subscriber, then you can get it for like 50% off on official GoPro website. So I think $10 it's way more reasonable. So for today's video guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to give this video a thumb up and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and see you guys in the next video.